Well, got the disposal out. Got the drain piping out. Getting ready to disconnect the sink faucet. And I'll bring the sink out with the top. That way I can set it up easily. Take the sink out because we're changing the faucet to a pot faucet. So little by little. Alright, about to take the countertop off. I may have to move the stove a little bit more out of the way. Got the sink out. I'm going to go take a look and see if I can get another sink. This is a pretty old sink. It's just got the flanges on it. I don't like the way it's pulled down. So I'm going to go buy another sink. Get this out, get some measurements, and tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and cut the new pieces and get them ready to put in. Well, making some progress. It's hard to see, but this piece is cut and ready to go in. But this backsplash thickness from here to here is a 1/4 inch shorter than the old countertop I took out. So what I've got to do is I've got to come in here and put in some 1/4 inch plastic pieces to raise that up, get it to where it should be. And I've already measured the front here. The overhang of 1/2 inch, 3/4 would be too close anyway. So it's a 1/2 inch from here to here. So after I get this one done, all the plastic pieces put in, then I'll get that piece cut, and then that piece over there, and in the sink. Okay, got the top trimmed, fitted, glued together. Let's see if the glue dries in 45 minutes. Well, since I don't have 2 people to help me install this, I have to install it by myself and take the old one out by myself. It's been in there for almost 2 hours. So I'm gonna get that section over there sanded down, see how it looks, and get this installed. Alright, got this counter in, finally. Hey, this thing is heavy. It's all in one piece. So now I'm laying out for the sink. I use transfer paper, but you can use shelf liner. And I use a pen, a nice sharp line, a center line. And I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. On the directions, they used to give you a template, but not anymore. You do your outside line, and then you come in 5/16, and that's your cut line. Guess what? That pencil is 5/16 inches wide. Works out perfect. I just have to fudge the radiuses. That won't matter because those don't go all the way out, so it doesn't come out exact. It'll be fine. So one more step. I might have a new stove and the dishwasher and sink in by tomorrow.